Hi, my name is Mike and I've created this video for any tutors and teachers who are using Moodle but either forgotten how to do so or doing it for the first time. This little video is the third in quite a few actually, because I've only done 3 so far. This is all about adding documents. So my name is Mike and a little grey hair is my Twitter feed. So on your Moodle page in the top right hand corner there'll be a cog or a button. If it's a button it will say turn editing on. If it's a cog, just click the little down dropper and you'll find a list of things to do, and you'll see turn editing on, so click there, and about half a second later Moodle will give you all these icons and whatnot all over the screen, and below or at the bottom of each topic area you'll see a plus sign and add an activity or a resource. So let's see how we add documents. Well, to do so, find in the list under the resources on the right hand side. In fact, this will be, all these are underneath each other, so you'll have to scroll all the way down to find file. So when you do, select file and click add, and then a window will appear, and what you need to do against name is give the file a relevant name. And it could be, easy, like the heading, the chapter heading of a book or whatever. And then in the description below you can put your instructions to the students. Here's the thing I want you to read, this is why I want you to read it, and I want you to understand the concept of ... And then underneath that description area there's a little checkbox, and check it for your display your description to be displayed on the page. So what I do recommend is using PDFs, and the reason for this is that they work on any device, including mobile phones, but tablets of any variety, Microsoft or Android or Apple, and laptops with Microsoft or Apple. So please use PDFs. If you use Microsoft Word and PowerPoint, Microsoft products, then you can expect your students with Apple devices to come at your door moaning. Anyway, so effectively this is a drag and drop area, so drag and drop your PDF onto the area just underneath where it says files, and then scroll down to where Moodle gives you an appearance feature. Next to display you need to select in pop-up from the select drop-down menu, and it's very good practice for the web to show a file size and also the file type. Underneath or at the bottom of this appearance box, if you like, there's a link saying show more, and I think this is I think it's important, but a lot of people forget about this bit, because within that show more you can set how big the pop-up is going to be. Now if your document is effectively an A4 sheet, say from Word originally, and it's in portrait, then the pop-up widths and heights 630 and 900. The landscape is the same but the other way around, so 900 and 630. If it was a PowerPoint presentation, 16 by 9 is the modern way of using PowerPoint, or indeed any presentation device, 16 by 9. So the pop-up width will be 800 and the height 450, and if it's a 4x3 old-fashioned presentation that you're using, then the width is 800 and the pop-up is 600. So you might want to take a little image of that or note them down, because these are important. Anyway, my name is Mike. I'm on Twitter at Little Grey Hair. I'm on the web, littlegreyhair.com. Thank you very much for watching. I will be creating more and more videos using Moodle for you, but this is a sort of first of 3, just to get you going with Moodle, just in case you're stuck at home wondering and fighting how to use the system. Okay, hey, thanks so much. Cheers now.